Hello, my name is Sol Silva from Miss Kirch's Period 4 Math Analysis Honors class, and in today's student video we will be learning how to graph logarithmic functions and identifying x-intercept, y-intercept, asymptotes, domain, range on a graph. So the first thing we need to know about this problem is that unlike the exponential yak died, the log's xylophone was happy and rich, which means a logarithmic graph has an asymptote of x equals h and has no restrictions on the range. The structure of the problem is going to be log base anything parentheses x minus h plus k, meaning that the h is going to be the opposite of the sign in the parentheses. So as we see here, log base 4 x plus 4 minus 2, h is going to be negative 4 and k is going to be negative 2. And since we know that the log's xylophone was happy, the asymptote is going to be negative 4. Next, we're going to solve for the x-intercept. So first we have to get the 2 onto the other side, so we add 2 to both sides. And to get rid of the log, we put 4 in front of log base 4, and we put 4 as the base, and 2 is going to be the exponent, so we get rid of log, and it's going to be 16 equals x plus 4. Now we get rid of we get x by itself by subtracting 4 to both sides, and x is going to be 12, but the x-intercept has to be in an ordered pair, so the x-intercept is going to be 12, 0. Next we're going to find the y-intercept, so we just put x as 0, and this is going to be we're going to use the change of base formula, so we put what's inside the parentheses over log 4, and anything divided by the same thing in logs is going to be 1, and we subtract 2 and we get negative 1 as our y-intercept. Now we know that the log's xylophone was happy and rich, so there's no limit on the range, but the domain is going to be negative 4 because that's where the asymptote lies. We need a few more key points, so I put negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4. You plug that into your graphing calculator as log, say, negative 1 plus 4 over log 4 minus 2, and this is the answer you get. You do that for all these x's, and these should be your points. You can use any points, by the way, as long as it's not negative 4, because that's the asymptote and it does not touch the asymptote. This is what your graph should look like. All of the logarithmic graphs should look this way, and thank you for watching.